Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off vibration on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings and after that go and scroll a little bit down until you find sounds in haptics. And here in haptics, click on it. And as you can see, if you don't want your phone to vibrate, you just have to click on never play, and like that, your phone will not vibrate when it's on silent mode or ringtone, or else also when you receive notification. So your phone will not vibrate. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.